Well, hello everybody, this is Rob with Gizmos and Gadgets for You, back again to show you our latest addition to the AMMO-LOK family. That would be the mag markers. Mag markers are used in the base of the Byrna magazines to help identify what you have loaded in the magazine or what you intend to load in the magazine. If you have this in a sleeve or if you have this in a holster on your belt. Quick look, you can see that you may have pepper or kinetic rounds, and it's just kind of a quick way to identify what you're carrying at the time. Back in the day, Byrna used to include orange markers to go in the bases to replace the default stock black ones. I don't believe they do that anymore. I've not seen any in any of the kits that I've received, at least in the last couple of years. So what we decided to do was basically recreate that and make it even better with more identifying capabilities based on colors. So like the AMMO-LOK devices, the mag markers are magazine specific. What you have here is one for the MAG-LOK or the mag marker 5 for the 5-round magazine. This is a mag marker 7, obviously for the 7-round mag. And then we have one for the CL. They are different sizes. But they do the same thing. They basically just hold the spring in place so that your ammo feeds properly, but also gives you that color down at the bottom so you can see, what you've got in there. Installing the mag marker is really simple. First thing you want to do is obviously make sure you have no ammo installed in your magazine. Move this one out of the way. And then what you're going to do is you're going to remove the stock marker from the base. You basically just take like a little screwdriver or something, push it down, and slide the base forward a little bit. Don't open it all the way, because if you do, you're going to end up either with the spring in your face or it's going to end up going all the way across the room. So what you want to do is you want to put your thumb over this and slide it out. Set the base down and slowly pull out the stock marker. Then you'll see you have the spring here. In order to reinstall, what you'll do is you'll take your new mag marker, the color of your choice. This is a CL, and you'll see down here the spring will fit inside this little circle that's been included here as a guide. Push that down inside, hold it with your finger, and then just kind of get the base back over the top and just slide it over. Or touch it to get it in there. Okay, once you've got it in there, then you're good to go. Now you can load your ammo again just like you normally do. Changing the 7-round is very similar. The main difference is the base or the mag marker is a little bit different in size, a little bit bigger. Same thing here. You're going to want to make sure you have your ammo out of the magazine. Again, you're going to push the original stock marker out and just kind of let your thumb hold it in place, and then just slowly release it, and you'll see that this is definitely a much larger piece here. In order to replace, same idea. You're going to have your new marker, and again, this will also guide on the spring. Push it down, get a finger or a thumb over that, line up your cover, and you'll see it locks right into place. And that's it, you're good to go. So now that you've got your mag marker installed, if you wanted to change the color, put a different one in there. Easy to do. One of the cool things we did was we designed a slight bevel on the tabs of the mag marker, and that's a little bit different than the stock one. So what this allows you to do is take the flick tab on any of your AMMO-LOK devices and just push this down, and you can easily slide this out. Again, pull out the one that you want to change, grab your new one, again line it up, push it in, slide it on, and you're good to go. I mean, it takes literally like 10-15 seconds max to change these out. And then load up your ammo like you normally would. And if you're using the AMMO-LOK devices, you know, it's easy enough to just instantly color code top and bottom, so you know exactly what you have inside. Easy to use, very functional, great combination. AMMO-LOK and mag marker. Check them out on our website, AMMO-LOK.com, AMMO-LOK.com. Thanks a lot, guys.